Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna talk about eyebrows, KILAY. If you're new here on my channel, welcome. My name is Inofre. I'm a nurse, I'm a makeup artist, and I'm based here in the UK. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell so you get updated with the new videos that I upload. So this video is a highly requested tutorial, and I know all of us are just really wanting to have that eyebrows on fleek and pak na eyebrows. So today I will share with you how I groom and do my eyebrow routine. So just last week I did my brows, so as you can see it is really kind of clean and polished. It doesn't have any eyebrow product yet, so this is just my clean brows, and from just by looking at it you already know that it's been polished and it's been groomed. Every time I do my eyebrows, my main goal is to always keep my brow bone area very clean of hairs. So I don't really want you know, small hairs growing in there. So every time I wanted to groom my brows, I really clean this area. So I'm just gonna zoom you in so you will have a closer look of my eyebrows. So as you can see here on this area, I really want this to be very clean. So if there are hairs over there, I pluck them. Yes, that is my choice of removing hair, which is very painful, a lot of tears involved, but it is all worth it in the end, because when you pluck, or let's say if you thread, it will be a longer time for the hair to grow up again. And then once I'm done plucking my hair or this area, I actually get a razor, you know, something like this, and then I kind of go through it, because the tweezers wouldn't really be able to get the small fine hair. So I still kind of go through with the razor, because the razor actually makes it look much cleaner, much softer, and much better. So see, it's really nice to have a clean brow bone. And when a small hair start to grow, I just kind of use again my tweezer and, you know, start plucking them off before they all grow together. Okay, so once I'm able to clean all the hairs, I'm able to pluck all the unwanted hairs, I'm actually cutting my hair too. So what I do is I get a spoolie like this, and then a scissors, which I make knacko from our hospital. So what I do is I comb them upwards like this. So I comb it like this, and using my small scissor, I cut just the tip, just the tip. Okay, so my brows are nice and clean and groomed. So now let's go to the most important part. Okay, sobrang naman ka, violent na akin cellphone. Okay guys, so for my eyebrow routine, to be honest with you, I have many different eyebrow routines because it depends on what makeup I am wearing. So if it is just an everyday makeup, then my eyebrows shouldn't really be eyebrows on fleek. It should just be natural. Sometimes I don't wear anymore if it's just going outside, buying groceries or something. But if it's like a full-on makeup, then I have to have like a proper BAM eyebrow routine. Okay, so first step that I do is I comb my brows. Guys, this is very important because they will make your eyebrows come together, and they will be at peace, and they will not have their own direction because they need to be one. So then I will trace first the outline of my eyebrows. So using a brow pencil, this one is, you know, my favorite at the moment, which is from e.l.f. It is just a brow pencil. It's very cheap, and this is in the shade of taupe. And what I usually do is that I kinda draw first an outline at the bottom of my eyebrows. So as you can see, my brows are short. It already ended here. It should be ending somewhere here where the tip of my outer eye is. So it should really be here. So I should be able to meet the tail of my brows somewhat like that. Yeah. So once I'm done outlining the bottom of my eyebrows, I kind of start brushing through my brows. So something like this. because you know these mechanical pencils, they are actually quite waxy in texture, so they kind of help your brows as well stick together. So I just kind of fill up first whatever gaps I see, and then once I'm able to do that, I'm going to outline now the upper portion of my brows, so like this. And then once you fill up the gaps, again using your spoolie, comb your hair. And then as you can see, this area is not as dark as this area, because this area should be having like an ombre effect, because if you make this dark, your eyebrows will be too strong. So you have to make sure you focus the color at the outer tail of your eyebrows. And then now I'm gonna focus again on the tail. Actually, this should be fine already, but if I am really doing a, you know, a very full-blown makeup, I'm still not done with this. So using a brown eyeshadow like this, and using a brow brush or eyebrow brush like this, I dip it onto the brow brush, and then that brown will go on this area. And then using now a more dark or a darker eyeshadow, I will focus this now at the end tail of my eyebrows. Again, filling up the gaps. So using a concealer and a concealer brush, I will obviously clean the outside to be able to, you know, get the perfect shape of my eyebrows. So the one that I'll be using is a concealer brush like this, and my favorite Tarte. So once I'm done cleaning my eyebrows with a concealer, again I will get a spoolie, and then this area I will brush it towards this side, because it will make it a bit more looking natural. And then brush it upwards. And then this step might be an optional for you guys, but I will still use a brow gel just to make them go in one direction. So this area, I'll brush it up like that. Just brush it up. And then this bit, I'll brush it this way then. I'll just show you zoomed out the difference from the pack and then from this side of my brows that is just natural. So I'm just gonna finish the other side and I'll be right back. Okay, so both of my eyebrows are done. So as you can see, eyebrows on fleek, guys. At the moment, my eyebrows are too strong for my makeup because I just really have a very light makeup. But once I put an eyeshadow, you will really see the big difference because, you know, it will all come together. But obviously, if I have a very light makeup with these brows that are very strong, then it will really be kind of awkward. Eyebrows really depends on what makeup you're going for. If it's a natural, then you don't really need these eyebrows on fleek, but if it's really like strong eye makeup, then you might really need this kind of eyebrows. So I'll just be right back to make you see the difference. So as you can see, I've already done my eyeshadow and my eyelashes, and then, you know, the eyebrows are starting to make sense because this is how I usually do my eye makeup, and so my eyebrows should be able to keep up. You know, this might be too strong for, you know, a lot of ladies out there, but this is how I do my eyebrows to be able to keep up with the eye makeup that I usually do here on my channel. And yeah, I think that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!